Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out this 1970 Mustang Fastback.
Really a pretty good car here, Dalton. I just kind of want to go around this one. This one came in with a 1967 dark moss green Mustang Fastback we're going to put on. And also the 64 Mercury Montclair, the 427 dual quad car. So this same collector had all three of these Ford Mercury products. And just really nice drivers, all of them are. And that's exactly what this is. This is a 302. I don't know if you checked the numbers on this one, Dalton. Was this original motor? I know the guys have, so we'll check this and put it in the ad. But 302, okay, power steering, air conditioning, and the air conditioning does work.
Nice.
We've charged it all up, so that's kind of a nice option. This is just what I classify as an entry-level, really good, solid little fastback Mustang. They put the 302 Boss sticker kit on it. Repainted it about 15, 20 years ago, so it does have a little older paint, but all in all, just a very presentable, high-impact color.
Yeah, it's definitely a color that turns your head and makes you look at it.
Now, in the video, to me, the yellow looks a little brighter. You know what I mean? It's not like in person, it's just a good-looking yellow.
Yeah, it's like kind of a pastel yellow.
Right.
You know, it's not super bright like it might show on camera.
As far as our gap goes, gap from front to back, all the way in here to the cowl is excellent. There's just going to be a ton of little tiny chips, guys. See that? Just little stuff here and there. There's another one there. Not going to be able to point out all of them, but there is a few here and there. Again, our gap is really nice. Front to back, hood lines up beautiful. The car probably hasn't been taken apart a ton. I'm guessing it's had one repaint, and I think it's if I remember right, maybe a 70-some thousand mile car, but we'll get to that in the interior here. As far as the front grille looks beautiful, the horse looks nice, and the emblem, front bumper looks nice as well. As we go up and down the sides, a nice straight car. There is some few paint little cracks I'm going to show you in the quarter panel just from age. As far as the tires go, it's got a set of the Style Steel, the Magnum wheels. Back of the hood lines up great. Again, here is your gap on the door. You just don't get them much better than that.
As far as fitment, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
And really, like I said, great looking car. There's 2 or 3 little tiny chips on the top of the rocker. There's your bottom of the door, lines up beautiful to the quarter panel. Rocker and quarter is good. Here's our cracks, guys. It's right here in this quarter panel. You see kind of a stress crack. I don't know what happened here. If it was just a cold or what, you know what I mean? We've had some extreme cold and it came in like that. It came in kind of on a cold night. Just right here, it's got some cracking. So if you're gonna make a show car out of it, you'll wanna do some paint work, but for a driver, cruise night car,
and that's what this
it's
car
awesome.
Is. Yeah, I mean, these Fastbacks, if you look, they have super high ceilings, and it's very hard to find a Mustang Fastback that starts with a 3 as far as price. So, and that's where this one's gonna be.
And it has air, that works.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, nice interior, like I said. Look at the undercarriage, really pretty good undercarriage on it as well. Go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. Really nice trunk extensions. Here's your gas tank's been replaced. It's got the correct trunk mat. It's all jammed out properly. Got nice sounding dual exhaust. Same thing, look at the trunk lid, Dalton. It lines up great, both sides. No issues back in here. There's a little scratch right here and a chip. Tiny little scratch here, but no bubbles or blisters. Back shelf's got nice 6x9s in it. There's a corner of the door, looks good. Door jamb paint was all done at the same time as the rest of the paint.
Dome lights and stuff for it.
Yeah, look at that, huh? The back courtesy lights. We did a lot of work on this one. Just like all of them. Courtesy lights work, under the dash lights all work. Dash pad is excellent. That's in great shape as well. Again, factory air car and it works. No console, didn't come with one. You want to get that seat. It's got seat belts in the front. The seats are excellent. Back seat carpet is nice as well.
And it does not have the folding rear seat.
Nope.
Which I think people like them, but I think when they don't have the folding rear seat, the back seats just look a little better, it seems like.
Another thing is, even with the folding rear seat, they always rattle.
Yeah,
no matter what we do and replace them, they just rattle a little bit, just so you know. Headliner is perfectly tight. Visors are nice. Like I said, very, very nice interior. Doors shut great. So besides some little chips and those paint cracks on that one quarter, driver's side quarter looks excellent. Over the wheel well is great. Bottom of the door fits excellent as well. Look at that.
That does fit nice.
Yep. Couple chips right here on the door. As we go here to the quarter panel, it's in great shape. These got some pits in these little emblems here. Those are original. But look at that trunk lid. Fits good. I like that they did the rear spoiler on it. Yep. Doors open and close good. All the interior lights work when the door is open. This door's had a little bit of work in the past, but it's all jammed properly. Rubbers feel good. Door panels are nice, and seats, again, driver's side seat, excellent. Hold on to this, D, and I'll
take her for a spin.
Back it out.
All right, we're gonna go through some things, show you what works.
Hey, let's start with this radio, dude. This is old school little Mustang.
Off all lab-grown gems.
It works.
Nice. As we mentioned, air works and heat works.
Today we're gonna have heat.
Yes, no need for air today. It's a negative 10 degrees. How about wipers?
Don't know, it's a mystery.
Wipers work. I know we do have a sending unit coming for the gas gauge, so that will be fixed. Horn works.
Original steering wheel, nice dash. Yeah.
Liner's excellent.
Yeah, we've checked the gauge will work, D. So temp gauge I think works too. We'll know here in a little bit. Oil pressure gauge works, and alternator gauge works. It's got 108,000 miles on it. Power steering, air conditioning, nice options. Just a stock fastback, but it's got the Mach 1 hood scoop. It's got the rear spoiler. Frickin' 302 runs like a top.
It does. It's got some pretty good power.
Transmission shift's good too. Hope the brakes are good.
Yep. We're gonna find out.
And they are. Of course they are. We redid them.
Yep. Stop good.
It does. We put a brand new carburetor on this. The other one was leaking a little bit. It's a 302 two-barrel. We put a brand new two-barrel on it. And a lot of times, we've said this before, Dalton, these two barrels, they run just as good as a freaking four-barrel, man.
Yeah.
Look at this.
It is. I wouldn't have guessed a two-barrel, by the way, this has got for performance.
That's 70 mile an hour. Shifted into third at 75. That's 80 mile an hour right now. You getting nervous? A little bit. You know, but look at this. The steering's super tight. We replaced some ball joints and did some work to it. The guys did a fantastic job on this one, Dalton. Went through the whole gas lines, brake lines, everything.
Nice. Yeah, I'm impressed with the way it goes down the road. Very impressed.
Steering's super tight. We'll go through the gears manually, but I loved how it went through as far as just putting it in drive and going.
Yeah.
I wouldn't touch and put a four-barrel on this for nothing. It doesn't miss a beat. No, it's got non-power brakes, but the brakes stop nice and the pedals right up there. Looks like by the judging of that front end, they've already hit somebody this winter.
Yeah, it looked like it, didn't it?
Yeah. What do you think of it?
I like it. I'm really impressed.
For this car sitting in this guy's collection with those other two cars we bought for a long time, all three of them turned out to be excellent mechanically.
Yeah.
Temperature gauge is coming up. It's just coming off the C now. Nice. So we got it first. Spins the tires, dude.
Wow.
Shifts right into second. Transmission is nice.
Shit's great.
Here. Like I said, one finger on the wheel. Excellent car. I have a whole new attitude about this now.
Yeah.
First time I drove it.
Yeah, me too. I'm impressed by the way it goes down the road. Real good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteplastics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.